I was with this friend, and the friend was telling me life is too serious. There's a lot of stress. We need time to look stupid sometimes, or to do stupid things to take away the stress. Bring yourself to relax, laugh over things. Everyone has that moment of being stupid, even if it's for some seconds or some minutes in a day, if not at least in a week for the too serious people. And I was telling the person, life is too serious. Life is too serious. Going to have time to do stupid things. I don't have time. I don't really think so.